Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Trigger Warning. Love, parang gatas yan. My mom and dad got married at an early age of 20 and 22. Therefore, my parents haven't had much of savings before. We lived in a province and we had this house and lot that was a project of architecture college students that we bought after it was done. It was not much, but we had everything we needed there. And sa tabi ng house na yun, merong bed spacer kung saan nagbo-board ang tita and tito ko from another province. They were college students, pinapaaral sila ng lola ko, mother ni mama. As a 4-year-old kid that has parents trying to make ends meet, they could not afford yet a yaya for me. Pinapabantay nila ako noon sa tita and tito ko. While my parents were always out working all day, sila tita naman yung kasama ko, while my tito stays in his bed spacer. My tita and I always play after she does her requirements. She was my favorite tita. She bought me clothes sometimes when she had money. Siya na rin ang nagsusundo sa akin sa preschool ko noon after class. Pero sometime yung tita ko, she went back sa province nila. I never understood why. I did not really care back then. So ang natira na lang si tito. I remembered clearly that one time when my parents were out and it was just me and my tito. He would harass me sexually. Sometimes he would stick a pentel pen in my private part, but it won't get in because it was tight. But he still forced it in until pumasok. Hindi ko rin alam what it was noon, pero I was just laughing thinking it was just a game. Then it went on for days and my parents have not noticed a thing. And one time, I accidentally barged in his bed spacer while he was masturbating. I saw his dick and semen was coming out of it, and he told me, "Sipsipin mo lab, parang gatas lang yan." Since battle-fed pa ako noon, ininsist niya talaga na sipsipin ko, but gladly, I did not. It did not really matter to me what was happening back then, pero as I was growing up, every time I remember it, I have the chills and it scares the hell out of me. Nakakadiri, nakakainis, ang sarap niyang sunugin. Like seriously, sa sarili niyang kadugo. Hindi pa rin ito alam ng parents ko until now. The only one who knows is my lola, yung mother ni mama. I recently brought it up sa kanya when I had an anxiety attack sa family gathering namin. Should I tell my parents? This was a long time ago. I don't know how they would react if I told them. I am scared. I have a feeling na ang sasabihin nila is, it was a long time ago na rin. But they're not like that. Pero I still feel they would say that. Anyways, thanks for listening and I would appreciate any advice.